Hello. Today we're looking at a JDP-20MF step pulley drill press brought to you by Surplus Industrial Supply. This drill press features 115 or 230 volt AC, single phase, 1.5 horse motor which is currently wired for 115 volt AC, 150 to 4200 RPM spindle, Jacobs RJL19I 3/4 inch chuck and key, 4 3/4 inch drill depth, 10 inch throat, 16 inch by 18 3/4 inch adjustable height table, and an anti-automatic restart project. If you have any interest in this or any other items available at Surplus Industrial Supply, please give us a call at 616-451-4100 or toll free at 1-888-451-9877 or visit us online at surplusindustrialsupply.com. Thank you and have a nice day.